Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you one of the most popular paneer recipe, that is Paneer Butter Masala. The ingredients required to make this recipe are 100 grams of paneer cubes, 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped, 2 bay leaf, 2 small size cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom, 3 green chilies, 2 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half a tablespoon of Garam Masala, half a tablespoon of Kasuri Methi, around 10 to 15 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of GingerGarlic Paste, half a cup of Coriander Leaves, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's see the preparation. In a preheated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add all the spices, that is bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, green chilies, red chilies. Just give it a mix. Now add tomatoes. Now goes in ginger garlic paste, cashew nuts, and add half a cup of water. Mix everything well. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes until the tomatoes are completely cooked. Now this is done. Let's transfer it into a blender. Now blend this into a fine paste. Now the paste is done and ready. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the butter is melted completely, add red chilli powder. Mix it well. Now goes in the grinded paste and half a cup of water. Adjust the consistency by adding some more water if necessary. The consistency should be medium. Now add the paneer cubes and 1 tablespoon of salt. Close the lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the gravy thickens. It's been 5 minutes. Now let's open the lid and see. Yes, it's perfectly done. Now add sugar, garam masala and kasuri methi. Give it a good mix and cook for 1 minute on low flame. And finally garnish with coriander leaves. That's it. Our restaurant style paneer butter masala is done and ready. So enjoy with a chapati, roti, fulka or any kind of Indian flatbread. If you like this video, please do like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thanks for watching.